Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a day trading book every crypto trader should read. And that book would be Trade What You See, How to Profit from Chart Pattern Recognition by Larry Pesavento. And he is actually a 40-year veteran trader. And so he's been trading about twice as long as I have actually been trading. Now, before we get too far into the weeds of this book, I want to make it perfectly clear that trading financial markets is extremely difficult, but with the right approach, you can achieve success. Again, nobody knows this better than the authors of this book, who have actually used pattern recognition to capture profits from the markets. So with that being said, this detailed guide examines a technical approach to trading that will allow you to identify patterns as they are developing. Once you have a solid foundation in the area of pattern structures, you will become familiar with how these patterns are traded and discover the best ways to integrate them into your own trading strategies. Now, if you watch my technical analysis videos on a regular basis, basically that intel I share with you on the charts is what you will learn how to identify for yourself by reading this book. And that does also include the Fibonacci retracement levels and kind of their meanings as well. That is also covered in this book. Now, before you start thinking that technical analysis is way over your head, this book is actually divided into 3 comprehensive parts. The first being the introduction to trading with pattern recognition. Then the next section is identification of price patterns and how to trade them. And then at the end of the book, they go over the essential elements of actually trading those patterns. And the way the authors broke up those 3 different sections of the book make it so easy, even a grunt can understand this information. Now, with that being said, I do want to make it crystal clear that the only way to use the information in this book profitably is by understanding each pattern and following sound trading principles. To help you accomplish this, the authors have included guidelines on developing a trading plan that covers pattern recognition, thinking in terms of probabilities, money management, risk assessment or risk management, and techniques for entering and exiting trades. I do seem to get a lot of questions from you all about risk management or entering and exit trades. Hopefully this book can help serve as a guide for those questions you all have been asking. Now, if you're interested in buying this book, I will drop a link in the description down below, Amazon, so you can jump over there and pick up this book via Amazon. And for those of you that think $39 to $55 is expensive, you might just want to consider it a small investment into your education when it comes to trading. And as you can see, about 10 years ago, I made the investment and bought this book as well. So I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. I will be introducing a few other books in the future, so you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on those videos. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. Again, I will drop a link to Amazon so you can pick up this book in the description down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.